And there's a lot of reasons, guys. Like, I've get 2 copyright strike. Like, this is the second time. I can't believe it. Like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know I didn't post because, guys, finally I've came with one thing that I really want to do in my life. And this was the thing that when I first started on YouTube, like, they said do what you like. So I was like thinking, like, what can I do, what is easy, like what will make me money. So this was the thing. Really took me so much time, about 2 years, to just come about like online marketing to make money. And I was taking massive action, guys, to be honest. Like, I was clicking on every ad, and I was like going to any webinar to learn about all this stuff. And finally now I came with 3 of things: Instagram, YouTube, and digital marketing. So I just want, guys, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. I know, like, I might broke your heart because as a reaction video, that's like, this is why I came to this position, 10,000 subscribers. But like what I say, like, I have to do what I like. Like, now my Instagram page is about marketing, my information, my education, everything that I spend time is now about marketing, how to sell, and all that stuff. I have to make my YouTube marketing too, and I'm gonna be sharing tips and tricks and secrets and everything that to grow your Instagram page, to grow your YouTube, to do digital marketing, to grow your business. Because as an entrepreneur, you have to know all that stuff, and I'm the entrepreneur guy, you know. So I'm really sorry if I broke your heart, and if you have any, guys, any comment, any stuff, put it on comment. I'll be happy to answer you. And I don't know, like, yeah, I quit reaction videos and I'm not gonna do it anymore. And there's a lot of reasons, guys. Like, I've get 2 copyright strike. Like, this is the second time. I can't believe it. Like, the previous video about 2020 celebration, somebody else copyright my video, and I was so like, my heart so broke. And like, instead of giving me a copyright strike, she could just like write, like, please mention me in your description either, or I will give you a copy strike. But she didn't even do that, and she just gave me a copyright. And then I was like, man, like, you can't just do like this. Like, I end up with reaction videos. Like, I can't do reaction videos and people will just come and they will like copyright. And if you get 3 copyright, you're done. Your channel will go forever. Like, it took me so much time to grow my channel, and now, like, if I get one more, I'm done, you know. That's why I want to just do and produce my own contents, do marketing, know what I know, and share it to guys. Just, you know, working on things what will work. So I hope you guys understand. So I have a Greatness Effect page, which I do motivation. I have Sodais Afghanzai. This is my personal brand. Yeah, it sounds like so creepy, Sodais Afghanzai, but it's just my name. I have to put it. And also I have Fiverr, which I share. Like, if you want me to help you on Instagram and YouTube and other things, you go to my Fiverr and you choose an offer, and then I will help you, and then I'll reach you out. So yeah, this is now my online thing. This is what I want to do. This is what I'm good at it. So I changed my YouTube. Yeah, so from reaction I'm going to digital marketing, and from my personal brand, which I was just posting my picture, I went to a business page, which I'm sharing business stuff. And also I started a motivation page. And yeah, I have to do these 3 and I have to become so good at it, and then I can make a lot of, you know, money from it. It's not about, like, it's kind of money from it. Come on, guys. Like, everybody wants to make money in this world. Like, you have to be good at something, and then you have to know how to sell it. You have to know how to market it, you know, marketing. Thank you guys so much again for subscribing. I know you guys subscribe for reaction videos, but just like how I said, I can't upload more, because if I get one more copyright, I'm done from YouTube. And I don't want this happen, because I spent like 2 years to grow my YouTube channel, and now I have AdSense. I make some money off my YouTube, so I don't want to go that way. So yeah, thank you guys again. I hope you guys understand. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on my next digital marketing video. I'm gonna teach you about Instagram and YouTube and stuff. So yeah, if you're into that, make sure you don't go and you don't unsubscribe. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Peace. Bye.